Saw this breathtaking view of Rara Lake on my feed, but is it really as stunning as it looks? Let's explore. Day 1 arrived at this hidden gem, the turquoise waters. Incredible. Expectations? High. Hoping for an unforgettable experience. Day 3, wow. The reflections are mesmerizing, nature at its best. Not just a pretty view, but a true adventure waiting to unfold. Day 5, the sunrise here, pure magic. Colors that take your breath away. Feeling at peace, surrounded by nature's raw beauty. Okay, I think I found my new favorite spot. Join me on this journey to discover Nepal's hidden gem.